Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. This is Lieutenant Colonel Julito B. Recto Jr., the Commanding Officer of the 91st Infantry Sinagtala Battalion. Sa umaga pong ito, masasaksihan nyo ang simultaneous bloodletting activity. This is in partnership with the 307 Community Defense Center ng ating 3rd RCDG. Ito po ay in support sa ating 127th founding anniversary ng ating Philippine Army na may temang Dugo Ko, Dugo Mo, alay sa Pilipino ng bagong Pilipinas. At kasama po namin dito ang iba't ibang line agencies of the province of Aurora, ang ating mga stakeholders at ang aming pong pasasalamat sa kanilang partisipasyon. We are expecting around 200 bags of blood with around 300, more or less 300 participants all over the province of Aurora ng iba't ibang ahensya ng gobyerno. Muli po, maraming salamat and happy 127 founding anniversary sa ating Philippine Army. Thank you.